In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a specific area to PDF in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll be able to share just the portion of your drawing that matters, clean, precise, and scaled the way you need. Start by opening the plot dialog, which is the control center for creating print-ready files. The quickest way is to type plot on your keyboard and press enter. If you prefer menus, go to File and choose Plot. This opens a window where you'll set the output device, the exact area to include, and how it's laid out on the page. Next, choose a PDF plotter so AutoCAD knows you want a PDF file instead of a physical print. In the Printer Plotter drop-down, select DWG to PDF PC3. This is AutoCAD's built-in PDF driver, and it produces a crisp, vector-based PDF that scales cleanly. It's reliable, commonly used, and a great default if you don't have a custom driver. Now define the exact portion of your drawing you want to export. Under Plot Area, switch the setting to Window, click the Window button, then click and drag across your drawing to outline the area you want. Take your time here, zoom in if needed so you frame it accurately. If your first selection isn't perfect, simply click Window again and reselect. You're telling AutoCAD to ignore everything outside this rectangle and only include what you drew around. With the area set, adjust how it fits on the page. Choose a paper size that makes sense for the amount of detail you're exporting, something like A4 or letter for smaller callouts, or A3 and larger for more complex areas. Set the orientation to portrait or landscape to match the shape of your window selection. For scale, you can pick fit to paper for a quick shareable snapshot, or set a precise scale if you need measurements to be accurate, such as 1 pound or 100 or 1 quarter equals 1 bow. If you're using a custom scale, make sure the window you selected will comfortably fit on the chosen sheet size. It also helps to enable centering so the windowed area is nicely positioned on the page, avoiding awkward margins. That's it. You've selected the PDF device, defined a window to export, and matched the paper size and scale to your needs. With these settings in place, you're ready to produce a clean PDF focused on exactly the area you want to share.